Student, today we are going to discuss about few formula on the exponent. See, here I have written a to the power m into a to the power n equals to a to the power m plus n. So what is the rule? The rule is when you will observe that both the base are equal, on the time the power will be added. Here base a equals to base. In case of this product or the multiplication, we have seen that both the base are equal. As the base are equal, therefore we can add this power. That's why we have added this two power. A to the power m by a to the power n. Here how much coming? Now, a to the power m by a to the power n, it is a form of division. Whenever you will observe that in division both the powers are equal, on that time we have to subtract both the base are equal, on the time you have to subtract the power. You see that here both the base are a and powers are m and n respectively, and they are in the form of the division. So what we have to do? We have to subtract this power, mean a to the power m minus n will be there. Now come to next formula. A to the power m whole to the power n equals to a to the power m cross n. Here both the power will be multiplied. Next, a to the power 0 equals to 1. Everything to the power 0 equals to 1, but except a not equal to 0. When 0 to the power 0 is undefined. That's why I have written here that whenever you will observe that a is not equal to 0 but the power is 0, on the time that answer will be 1. Next, a to the power minus m equals to 1 by a to the power m. You see that here minus was present, that's why it has become the reciprocal. 1 by something we have written 1 by e to the power m. The power has automatically will be plus and 1 by form will be there. AB whole to the power n, how much coming? Now a to the power n into b to the power n. Here the power will be distributed in both the components. You try to remember all this formula. You write the formula in your copy and memorize it. This formula will help you to work out most of the sum from the exercise. Now student, you see that two sums are written in the board. Question number 1 is 2 to the power 7 into 2 to the power 4. Now how can it be done? Here you observe that both the base are equal. Since both the base are equal, therefore as per the rule of exponent, I can go for the addition of the power. Here both the base are 2, that's why 2 will be written earlier. Then power is how much? One power is 7, other power is 4. These two power will be adding, mean 7 plus 4. These two power we have to add. How much coming? 2 to the power 11 coming. Here you see that both the power are p. So we know the formula that a to the power m cross a to the power n equals to a to the power m plus n. So since the base are equal, therefore we go for the multiplication by this way. We can apply this formula. Here p to the power 5 plus 3, that is equals to p to the power 8 will be here. Now student, you see another sum is written on the board. Here this is a combination of the product of 2 and 7 with their powers. Now what to do? You first go for the calculation with this 2 to the power 4 and 2 to the power 1. Nothing is written here, mean 1 is here. So write down 2 to the power 4 plus 1 into here 7 to the power 3 and into 7 to the power 6. So how much is coming? Here, since both the base are equal, so power will be added. So 3 plus 6. Now you see here the base are different. That's why we can't go for the any further calculation. So 2 cube into 7 to the power 4. Now you see here 2 to the power 4 plus 1, how much will be coming? 4 plus 1 means 5 will be here, and 6 plus 3, it means how much? 7 to the power 9 will be here. By you can write in the discrete form 2 cube. Okay, first you write one step, you do 7 to the power 4. Now you make the separation rule, mean you make the group with the 2 and 7. So 2 to the power 5 by 2 cube into 7 to the power 9 by 7 to the power 4. Now what will be the next step? The next step is 2 to the power 5 by 2 cube. How much is coming? The power is 5 and 3 respectively. Since the base are equal and it is in the form of the division, therefore 2 to the power 5 minus 3 into 7 to the same way 7 to the power 9 minus 4. Here also 7 to the power 9 divided by 7 to the power 4, they are in the form of the division. Since the base are equal, the power will be subtracted. That's why I have written 7 to the power 9 minus 4. Now you see how much coming. This one is coming 2 square into 7 to the power 9 minus 4 means 5. This is your answer. Now student, you see another sum is written. Here we have to apply this formula. E to the power minus m equals to 1 by e to the power m. This is the formula which will be applied. How to do it? You see here 1/3 whole to the power minus 2. That means this 1 by 3 is a. If you compare with this formula, a here the value of a equals to 1 by 3. What we have done? Here I have written 1 by a to the power m. Mean 1 by a, if you go for the another calculation, you will see that a to the power minus m mean 1 by a whole to the power of m. So I can write down this step. Now 1 by 3 mean it will be 1 by a mean 3 will be here. 1 by 3 will take the form of its reciprocal. It will take its reciprocal form. Mean 3 by 1 whole to the power of 2 plus 1 by 4. Similar way 4 to the power of plus 2. Mean we are going to express the power in positive form. 5 to the power 5 by 1 mean 5 to the power 2 minus 1 by 6 mean 6 by 1 whole to the power of 2. How much coming? 9 coming, 16 coming, 25 coming, minus 36 coming. So what to do? 6 plus 9 plus 16 mean 25 plus 25 minus 36. So 50 minus 36 equals to how much coming? 14. And so this is answer. Student, you see that another sum is written here. The sum is given in the form of the equation. What you have to find out? You have to find out the value of x. You have to find out the value of x. You know that a to the power minus m equals to 1 by a whole to the power of plus m. This is one formula. This formula you have to apply to solve this sum. You observe another thing, that here 12 by 13 is written, but here it is written 13 by 12, and here also it is written 12 by 13. So this terms is written in reverse form. So what you have to do, you have to write its reciprocal form. So if you write here 12 by 13, the power will be automatically plus 8 because of this formula. So what to do? 12 by 13, it will be 4 into, here 12 by 13 is written, so write down, 13 by 12 is written, so you have to write its reciprocal, 12 by 13 whole to the power of plus 8 equal to 12 by 13 whole to the power of 2x. Since both the base in the left hand sides are equal, so you can write 12 by 13 whole to the power 4 plus 8. Here power will be added. And there 12 by 13 whole to the power of 2x. Here both the base are equal. In the both sides the base are equal. Here 12 by 13, there also 12 by 13. So what is your conclusion? The power will be equal. So 4 plus 8 equals to 2x. In reverse way, if you write 2x equals to 12. What will be the value? The value is x equals to 12 by 2 means 6. So 6 is the answer.